Hello children, hope you all are well. We have met online after a very long time and will continue to meet online for some time. Today we are going to start with the first chapter of science, that is plants, preparing and storing food. I would like you to take pencil and book with you and note down the important points. Secondly, pay attention during the whole session, and lastly, note down the homework in your notebook. Today we are going to discuss about plant food. Right? Kids, the food you eat is prepared at home, right? But have you ever thought how plants make their food? Let us study in more detail. All animals and human beings needs energy. And for overall growth, so food makes us healthy and strong. So, animals and all human beings are dependent on food because they get energy from it, right? So for food requirement, animals and humans depends on plants. Animals and humans depends on plants. Some part of the food we directly get from plants. That is, directly we get from plants. That is, fruits, flowers, vegetables, roots, stem, leaves we get directly from plants. Like that way, some part of our food comes from other eating, like in the case of meat. Other food we get like egg and meat. Okay, all animals and humans are directly and indirectly dependent on plants. So we can see here that human and animals are directly and indirectly depends on plants. For example, grass is eaten by goat and goat is eaten by tiger. So this how humans and animals are directly and indirectly dependent on the plants. As all living things need food, so do plants. Why? Because the plants also need food, because to get energy to grow, to make new flowers and fruits, and to make new seeds. Now, have you wondered how plants make food? Okay, now you can see a plant over here. Okay, these are the roots, leaf, and this is the stem. Okay, now next, plants make their own food. They make their own food. how with the help of roots, stem and leaf, they prepare food. They also need sunlight, water and carbon dioxide to prepare their food. Now, in this, leaves play an important role in making food. How and why are leaves green? Green. It is because they have a green pigment called chlorophyll. Because of chlorophyll, the leaves look green. Now with the help of all this, plants prepare food. That is, roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil and transport them to the other part of the plant. Like that way, then the stem takes them to the leaves. The next, sunlight is trapped by the chlorophyll present in the leaves. Then next is carbon dioxide enters from the hole of the leaves. Then it will convert sun energy. It convert carbon dioxide so by using sun energy, it converts carbon dioxide and water into its food. This is how plants makes its food and passes through all the parts of the plants. Now you must be clear how plants make their own food. I would like you to write your homework in the notebook. Hard words. First is chlorophyll. 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 Next is carbon dioxide. CARBONDIOXIDE. Carbon dioxide. Next is pigment. 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 Fourth, nutrients. NURIENTS. Nutrients. Fifth, oxygen. 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 Now next is question answer. First one is, how do plants make food? Answer is, plants make food with the help of chlorophyll, heat energy from sun, carbon dioxide from air, and water and nutrients from soil. Next question is, who prepare food for the whole plant? Answer is leaves prepare food for the whole plants. Write hard words for 5 times and question answer for 2 times. Thank you.